Howdy, folks. Okay, so in my other videos, at this point, I need you to stop. If you haven't watched my other videos, you need to pause, just take a step away, and go watch my other videos, because this part is going to be an addition to the other videos, okay? I'm going to teach you how to listen to your engine, okay? With your ears, not with your eyes, okay? It's very critical because as you ride, you need to hear your engine and know when to shift and what's going on between your engine, your motorcycle, and you, okay? Because it's going to be muscle memory. A lot of riding happens by muscle memory, okay? So what am I talking about? Talking about when you hear, when you feel, and when you see certain conditions or parts or times, you need to mentally start executing processes and routines and procedures, okay? For example, like I mentioned to you, when you are on the motorcycle and you turn, you need to start looking into the turn and your body will go that way, okay? The minute you don't do that, it's gonna cause trouble, right? So it's second nature the longer you ride. Same goes for when to shift, for when to counter steer, for when to change lanes and swerve, okay? So we're gonna be doing some road riding in a little bit with other videos, but right now I want to get you guys accustomed to how you're going to listen for the engine. So let's go ahead and break this all down. My key is in. I'm going to turn the key on. I have power. My neutral light is on. My choke on the left-hand side does not need to be on. There is no indicator lights on telling me there's an issue with the bike. There's no warning lights, okay? My headlight is on. My kill switch is disengaged. I'm not going to start the bike. Okay. This is what the bike sounds like at what you call idle. Idle means I'm not touching the throttle. You see my hands? I don't have 30 hands. I don't have 20 hands. I have one hand here, one hand here. I'm not touching the throttle at this part, okay? That is strictly my engine rotating, keeping the engine moving, and the pistons going up and down, okay? That's the combustion process you hear, all right? We're not in gear, nothing. This is just sitting at a stoplight or at your garage, okay? I need to take off, okay? As I roll the throttle, listen for the rise in noise. How it went up. Eventually, it's going to get to a point where it's telling you, hey, stupid, or hey, you need to start thinking about changing up a gear, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to go in a straight line, and you're going to hear when I need to shift, and I want you to get used to that noise. Every bike sounds differently. What your bike sounds like when you need to shift is not the same as my bike when I need to shift, all right? So let's do it in practice so you can see and hear, most importantly, hear what sounds like as I roll and as I use the throttle to go to that specific point on my engine, all right? Pulling my kickstand, put it in first. You heard my click? All right, here we go. I need to shift now, you hear it? Did you guys hear how it got higher and higher until it couldn't get higher anymore? That is the noise it makes when you need to shift. You guys heard that, right? All right. That noise is what you need to hear and say, oh, it's time to shift. Pull in your clutch, lift your foot with that little thing up, let go of your clutch, you're now in second gear.